G'day, new day, very hot day, and I'm getting ready to continue milling up my timber for the gate. And yesterday I did that thing where I stripped off one side with my track saw fence, and now I'm going to be doing the saw. So I've got my saw set up. The fence here is set to the narrowest that the piece was, and I'm just going to run it through and run the other one through the same and just get all my pieces to the same dimension. So that's step one. So, finally got my partition frame constructed. It's only dry fit at the moment because I've got to do some sanding and that sort of stuff cleaned up. I'm going to cut all the slats for it because it's going to have slats all the way up there, like going across. This section here is going to be concreted straight into the ground, so that's going to have some in-ground protectant painted on it and concreted in. And it's a good hardwood. It looks like it could be Sydney blue gum. Nice hard timber. It's actually nice to work with, beats chiseling pine because it chisels so much cleaner. And my joints, I've got 3 bridle joints and 1 mortise and tenon because of this bit going all the way down. They're not the prettiest, but it is going to be an outdoor piece of furniture. That didn't come out too good, but the others, there's a lot of gluing surface, which means it's going to be nice and strong. That's the main reason for them.